bulldozer versus scraper versus compactor. That's our lineup back there. And for any of you guys who are thinking about doing this career, you're gonna wanna start in a scraper. A scraper is gonna be your money maker. Shake that money maker, shake that money maker. Listen, you're not gonna be a dozer hand right off the bat. It's just not gonna happen. It takes time, it takes experience, it takes a lot of things. And listen to me very carefully. I'm still learning how to use this camera. Listen to me very carefully. Being a dozer operator is overrated. Is it fun? Yeah. Is the pressure real? Yes. Start in a scraper. Start in a scraper. Learn how to read stakes. Learn what a cut is. Learn what a fill is. Learn how to do push-pulls. Learn how to run a conventional, which means a big old bulldozer comes up behind you and pushes you, and you load the machine, and then you pop out your cushion hitch and you go to the fill. Learn the basics. I have a wildland firefighting channel as well as this channel, and you have to learn the basics of wildland firefighting before you can be an engineer and drive and pump the engine. You have to know how to fight the wildfire from the ground. You have to learn how to move the dirt from point A to point B before you get in a compactor, before you get in a dozer. I don't even talk about blades because I don't know how to run one. I don't want to run one. Please start in a scraper. I put together right here in the description, I put together a checklist for you on how to get into a scraper, what to check for, your daily checkouts. Check that out. If it's too expensive, leave it in the comments and I'll drop the price. Check it out. Click the link, check out the Grumroad on it, and if it's too expensive, maybe I'll just lower the price. I'll look at it tonight. Maybe I'm just gonna lower the price. And as always, stay caffeinated too. Please, 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 listen to me. Listen to me. Please start in a scraper. Please start in a scraper. It's the best spot. Is it hard on your body? Yes. Are you looked down on? No, because you're the one making the company money. When you're moving the dirt, that's how the money is made. Then, when you spend 2 or 3 years in a scraper, move into a compactor. Say, I've been on a scraper for 2 or 3 seasons. I would love to get the opportunity to learn a compactor. It's a different beast. You have to be authoritative. You have to have that, you're gonna listen to me. This is what we're gonna do. You have to become a leader. You have to know how to grade. You have to know how to, if your GPS doesn't work, you have to know how to carry grade. You have to know how to do the stakes, like a blue ribbon, a white ribbon, a red ribbon, a red and white ribbon together, what they all mean. How to do that, how to bring up a 2-to-1 slope. You're not gonna cut a 2-to-1 slope in a compactor, but you have to know that stuff. And then a dozer, I would love to be a dozer hand, but where I work, it's overrated. It truly is. So I'm comfortable in a compactor. Scraper first, compactor second. If you desire, go into a dozer, but don't start there. Start with the basics. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and stay with me, because I promise you, what we're gonna teach is gonna help you. Again, leave it in the comments if that Grumroad package is too expensive. Leave it in the comments. Also, what you're gonna do. Start with a scraper. I wanna know all about it, and let me know what videos you'd love to see. I want to help you succeed as a heavy equipment operator. I want to see it. You need this, and I need you. And I freaking love you. Goodbye.